now.
Yes, we can see.
Something happened. Can I like get back something? Because I put my table, but right now I mistakenly deleted the cell.
Okay.
Because
Okay.
all these things I've done them. I've merged the different data frame together into a table.
Okay.
I was trying to download this thing because I didn't know that we were having an assignment till when you posted it, so we had to rush back home and start.
Yes, I posted it this afternoon. There wasn't an assignment. It was a task for today, not an assignment.
Okay.
Good. So,
I mistakenly clicked this button here,
okay.
delete.
Okay.
I don't know if there's a way to get back.
You deleted it, is gone. So you have to do it again. But I
Ah,
can't see any data frame you've done.
sir?
I can't see any data frame you've done. Is this a data frame?
Mm, I didn't. What's it called? I didn't like put them like this. Or is this not like this? Like
Yes.
place them like.
Yes, you've done that. They run it. These are in dictionary form. Yes, dictionary and the list form. Then when you run it, where's the table that you've created? That table you've
That,
created is the data frame. Where is it?
that's what I'm saying. I created it, but I
Okay,
I mistakenly delete it.
it's fine. It's fine. So, all right. So you can start. Let's start all over again.
Okay.
So,
Okay, so I
yes.
can stop sharing.
No, you continue doing it and putting us through.
Okay.
So you can ask me questions and I'll be supportive.
Okay, so okay, to create the data frame bar.
Yes. So what do you create initially? You have the F1, right?
Yes, I imported Panda as PD, and
Fantastic.
then I created DF1 data frame. I have my products, quantities,
Good, good,
cost per unit.
good, good.
Then I created DF2, the
Mm-hmm.
same thing,
No,
and I
what?
made sure
Wait, come. In that
that
same line, in that same first line that you have DF1, click on that line.
mm,
Yeah, click on it.
this one. Okay.
Yes, where you have DF1.
Yes, I have done that.
Yeah, just let your cursor be at the end of your write up.
Yeah,
Yes, click enter.
okay.
Yes,
I
now
have.
print DF1 and type DF1 there.
I should type the F1.
1, yes,
Okay.
so that you can print it. So print DF1, let's see. And when you,
How?
yeah, DF1, then run that cell. Now run the cell.
Okay.
Yes. So
Oh,
you can
okay,
see
okay,
now the table of
okay.
your DF1 exists, right? So that
Yes.
is your data frame 1. So do the same thing for the second cell and the third cell.
Okay.
So you have DF2 now, right?
Yes.
Do the same thing for DF3.
I think I have it.
You have the three tables now, right? So
Yes.
you have to create a new uh, variable, right? In your new cell. Now go to that cell. So the task said you should create your df1. Your new variable
Yes.
should be named as what? Df1. Or df
I
rather,
should,
not df1, df.
okay.
So
Okay.
which will enable you to concatenate the three tables together, right?
Yes.
Okay, so do the concatenation, let's see.
Okay. So
So So you have df1 is equals to pd dot concatenate. So just write concat is a method in Python, okay?
Me-
The method. So
Yes,
concat. So open a bracket, parenthesis. Yes. Then you can see that your item is more than one, right? So you put them as a
yes,
list. So put them as a list. Create a
list.
list. Yes.
Yes,
df1.
DF1.
Yes. Comma df2. Comma df3.
Okay,
Now,
I've done.
I think you know where df1, 2, 3 is coming from.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Um, and put a comma after your list bracket. Yes, then say ignore index to be. What do you want your index to be, false or true?
I don't get the index. What's the index?
Index is like numbering. So numbering your item.
Okay, okay, okay. If I don't want numbering,
Yes,
oh,
you set it to be
okay.
false and you
I
set it
want.
to be true. Okay. So remember, true in Python is written in capital letter T and others as small letters.
Yes.
So then print your df. Let's have your table.
DF.
Yeah. So let's see what you've concatenated.
Yeah.
This is excellent. Yeah, this is good. So you join the three tables together, right?
Yes, sir.
So what are your, okay, you have products, you have what?
Quantities.
Quantity, and you have the cost. I want you to add
Yeah.
a column to the right hand side of your table. You know how to do
This
that?
side.
Yes. Add a
No.
table to
Hmm.
it. Call it city. A column. That column should be region. Name it as a region. How do you do that?
How?
Yeah. So take your df, come to a new
Okay.
line. I told you how to
Okay.
subset yesterday. So we talked
I
about that.
was.
All right.
Yes.
So subset now, let's see. So create a new cell, type. Are we together?
Okay. Yes, sir. I've
So
created a new set.
type your df, which is your data frame. Yes. Put a square bracket like your list. Don't put space between df and your bracket. No space between them. Yes. So inside,
Yes,
put
sir.
a, what's it called, invited commas, your quotation, like as if you want to write a string. So
Okay. String.
string, then name it as region.
Okay, sir. I ha-
So name it as
I
region.
have.
You've done that?
I have.
All right.
Yes, sir.
So come back, come outside of the bracket, then put assign,
I'm out.
like, yeah, assign like equal to. So it's called assign. So assign it to
Okay.
a list also.
List.
Yeah, a list. Create a list.
I give space.
Yes, a list. Then let's have the regions now. Are you there? Your screen is hanging.
Key went off.
Okay, sorry. Yeah, yeah. Please check. I cannot
Oh,
see your screen any further. Please check
okay.
it.
Okay, so can you see it now?
Yes, it's visible. Yeah. So create a
Okay.
list. Then string. You know that the regions are strings, right? They are characters.
Yeah,
So they are
their
strings. So which region do you want to put? Remember your table is how many? There are nine in nature, right? Is it
Whoa.
nine or seven?
So
How many?
like nine region.
Yeah, how many elements do you have there in your table? There are nine, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
you have to create nine regions. So it must match with your table so that it will fit in. So create nine regions. So maybe you can just say north, or do you want to use states? Okay, no, we have regions in Nigeria. So maybe the north, the south, the understand? Or
But
you can,
they are not much.
yeah. So just type the regions.
Okay, should I put like cities?
You can put cities if you feel like, yeah.
Okay, let's see. Lagos,
Okay. Then
like this.
yes, yes. Another city, another city. So there should be nine, which matches with your table.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then yeah, that is good. Are you done with that?
No, sir, I'm not done.
All right. Just take some little cities. You're writing something that is so long. Something little, little.
Sir, can I put just
No,
any? Okay,
you were correct with what you've written. Leave it that way. I didn't say you should remove it. But just make
it's
it
too long.
brief.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yeah.
We have seven so far.
You can repeat any of them. No problem. Just do copy
Okay,
paste,
sir.
copy paste.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
All right.
Yes, we complete, sir.
So, um, yeah, in that same cell, hit your enter button and write df again.
DF. Okay, I have.
Done. Now you can run that cell.
All right, sir.
Good.
Okay, let's see
So
what we have.
you've added a region to it, right? A column to it. This is beautiful. All right. So that is your df1, right? So the next instruction asks you to save it as what? CSV, right?
Yes, sir.
Please do. So you say df, you're in a new cell now. Get a new cell. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Dear.
Dot.
Mm,
To.
dot what?
To. CSV. To.
Tone. Is it TON?
Yeah. TO. You can say
To
it all right.
CSV.
To CSV.
Okay.
Yes.
Like this?
Yes. Good. Open the bracket. Is a method. So anytime you write a method, put them in what? In
Okay.
brackets. Okay.
In brackets.
Yes.
Okay,
So
sir.
in a string, you
Okay,
can.
brackets. Is it not it's tuple for tuple?
Yes, just like a tuple. Yes. Put them like a tuple.
Okay.
Good. So
Okay, sir.
name it. What name do you want to give to this now?
Um.
So the names should be in string. So write a string. Yes. Then let's call it. What should we call it?
Sir,
What should we call it?
can I call it order,
Okay.
or is that also is
You
function?
can call it order. Order. So dot CSV. So you have to put the file extension.
Hmm?
You have to put the file extension to it. Order dot CSV.
Dot CSV also.
Oh, they should be inside the strings together.
Okay, okay, okay. Dot CSV.
Yeah.
Like this.
Yes. Then what else? You can put ignore. What's it called? Ignore the ignore the index.
I, okay. Ignore index.
Yes. So ignore index. Set it to be false.
Index.
No, it should be inside. It should be inside of the bracket after your CSV. Yes, put a comma there. Put a comma.
All right.
So
Right.
yes, put a comma. Then ignore index equals put. So assign it to false.
Of course.
Yeah. You already have index in your table. Then you add another index to it. It becomes a problem when you
Okay.
fill up your data. Yeah. So
Can I,
look
can
at
I
first.
close?
Yeah, look at first in capital letter. So close your bracket. First
Okay.
starts with a capital letter.
Yes. Okay, sir.
Good. Then you can run that cell now.
Eh, what did I? Now, 10 million. Una dey do this
So
nonsense.
you can run the cell. What are you
I
saying?
I did something wrong.
What have you done wrong?
I don't know.
Not ignore index, just to index. Not ignore index, just the index. Not ignore index.
Oh,
Index. Yeah, it's good there. So run it again.
oh,
Don't worry, just
good.
run it that way.
Okay, okay, okay.
Good. So it's run and it's where can you find your data now?
Up.
Where can you find it?
Is it? Is it up?
No, 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 no. Come to your left, yes. Before the look at the folder in your left hand side before this object that looks like a graph. Yes, that's yes. Click on it. That's where you find your data. Click on it.
Look at them here.
Good,
It shows me.
good.
It showed me here.
Okay. No, close that down. Close it down. Close that down completely. Yeah. Go back there again. Click on it. Good. Can you see
Okay,
it?
look at.
Yes.
Yeah.
Order.csv. So download it. Let's see.
Okay.
So click on the three dots.
Okay.
Yes. So you can download your data. Do you see
Mm,
download?
yes, sir.
So you downloaded it. So go and check your Explorer in your computer if your data is in your download.
Okay.
Yes.
Hey. Ah, something is configuring.
Okay. You are using a very old.
Very, very old.
Hmm, it's okay. It's okay. So click on download. It's empty. Why? Okay.
Okay.
It's
I
there.
think
Look at that is
this
the
should be.
order. Yeah. So that is the data. Okay. So your
Yes,
data
sir.
is there. All right. Good. So let's go and save it in the other format the instructor asks us to do that. Don't worry. Just leave it. Don't open it.
Okay.
So
Okay.
what
So
did you
we
say?
get another.
Yes. You asked you to save it in what format?
Uh, is it
In
TX
Excel
something something?
to Excel.
Oh, it does Excel.
Yeah, you do your DF to Excel. This Excel? Yes. So click on it, the fourth item or third item on the list. Yeah. Click on it. Yeah. So it's a method. What do you do?
Put my
Good.
this
Good. So and what
then
next? Yeah. So what will be the name?
order.
No,
Or
rename
should I
it.
leave it?
No,
Okay.
rename it with other, maybe other Excel or other two. Just make a distinction between the first one and the second one.
Okay.
You can see
But if
that.
I put other dots Excel,
No,
won't it be
you stay under underscore, order underscore. Use an underscore. Don't use dots between. Yeah, use underscore. Excel.
okay? And Excel.
So it's telling you that. So you now put the extension. So what's the extension for an Excel?
Sir,
What's the extension for Excel?
I don't know.
We discussed this in when we were reading those textbooks. We discussed it. We said the extension for an Excel is what? X what? L S X.
Ah,
X for X-ray. So you
so should I put dots?
yes dots. Then you put the
Okay.
extension X as in X-ray.
X.
Yes, L
Uh-huh.
L as in Lagos.
Eh?
S as in Sokoto,
S then X.
and X as in
Like
X-ray. Good. Yes.
like
Yes.
okay.
So
So
that's the
I should
extension. So
out
you
of the
also
string
yeah, comma index
equal
set it to be false.
index index equals false. Like this.
Yes, that is fine. So
So
you can run this lesson. Good.
I've run it. Look at it here.
And it is there, right? Good. So
Yes.
you can from there download it to your machine if you feel like. So do the third one lesson to JSON. So you do you name it as to JSON. Yeah. So what's the full meaning of JSON?
Um, sir,
What's the meaning of JSON? The full meaning of JSON.
I've forgotten.
JavaScript, the J and the S, they
Uh,
are together like JavaScript. So object notation. Okay,
okay, JavaScript object notation.
notation. Yeah.
Okay,
So
so
it's a
should
very
I save it?
lightweight. So name it as data order underscore JSON. Yeah,
Okay, Jason.
yeah, good. Then what will be the extension?
I forgot to put on my.
Because without the
Sorry.
extension, you won't be able to run it. So the extension for a JSON is still .json, .json.
Okay, so
All right,
dot
JSON.
J. Yes, sir.
You done that?
Yes, sir.
Good, 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 good. So what next?
Yes, then our index, comma, sorry,
Mm,
comma,
yeah,
then our index.
yeah. For the index, for the JSON, there are some things you need to also specify. So
Okay, sir.
instead of saying index, you will say the orientation. Give it an orientation. So
I
orient.
would say,
So
I would say
orient.
what?
What? Wait, yeah, you do comma the orient. So like the orientation. So type orient. Try to specify the orientation. How you want it. How do you want it to be like? Yeah, orient.
Okay,
Yes.
orientation.
Not fully orientation, but just orient. Just call it orient. ORIENT. Yeah. Equals. Call it record. Assign it
Sir.
to assign it to a string called record.
So I'll put string and put
Put equal to
record.
put an equal to yes
Equal
between
to record.
yes equal to records.
Okay,
Yes.
equal to record. Record in string.
Yes, record in a string as a string, yeah. Then you have to indent it. Let there be an indent, there is space between them. So indent. So put comma indent to be equals to 2.
Comma. Uh-huh.
Indent. Yeah, indent. Yeah.
Okay,
Not in
index, sorry.
yeah. Indent. Not index. Indent. So yes.
Mm-hmm.
Indent. Not index. INDENT. Yeah. To be equal to 2. Yeah.
Should be equal to what?
2. Assign it to 2.
Huh?
Yes, 2 and close your brackets. Good. So you can
Then
run
close my bracket.
yes. So you can run your line lesson.
Okay.
I don't
Nope.
know what you
I
wait, what have you written? What is from? What you to type from? No, remove that first line. From text wrap import indent. No, remove that.
I I didn't type it.
Where does it come from?
I
Yeah,
don't know.
it's fine. So run it again. Let's
So
see.
okay. Okay.
What is it saying? Jason. No, that's not the correct. From where?
Is it because I put Jason?
df dot what? What have you written? df dot to JSON. Mhm. To
Jason,
no, there's another
like
score
this
there. There's another score there. Put another score, yeah. Underscore JSON.
underscore
Yeah.
order underscore Jason dot Jason
Mm-hmm.
orange record indent true.
Mm-hmm. Your record orient equals record Ingredient two. What's that? You said it's meant to be true. No, two, letter two. Not true.
Okay. Okay.
Two as a number.
Shoe.
Yes. No, two as a number, not as a no, as a
Okay,
number.
number two.
Yes. Like the
Okay.
space between each of those items that in your file to be two. That's what you're saying. Yes.
Still error. Or is it because of the name I saved it?
Mm, let's see. Wait, your screen is moving. It's not stable.
Sorry. My phone is about running down.
Orient record. Put your records to be like with S.
Record, so I should add S.
Hmm. Let's start from there. TF.
S. Okay,
All right.
that
So
was it.
that's the problem.
That was the problem. Yes.
Okay. So now you can see your JSON file exists, right? Good. So
Yes.
create a text cell, not a coding cell, now a text cell. A text cell. A cell that you put a text in.
Like,
Yes. Not a code cell. Yeah, a text cell.
yep,
Yeah,
like this.
good. With two hash. A second two hash.
You said?
Two hash. Like hash.
So I tried to my hash is not working.
Okay. Don't worry. Just type importing your files now. Importing my file. So you want to import your files now, right? You know, you've
Yes,
created
sir.
a file now, right? Suppose you were just giving those files, you were not the one that creates them. You understand now? So the idea is to see how you can import files, okay? Files
Yes,
that you
sir.
were not created. Now you create your files. Good, it's an advantage. So you want to import this file now. Good. So run that cell and create a code cell.
Sir?
Create a
Okay.
code
Create
cell.
a code.
Yeah. You can just type B in your keyboard. It will create a new cell below. If you create type A, it can just give you a cell above. These are shortcuts, but don't worry. So now, how do you
Okay.
import? So you create a data frame, say df, what should we name it? df2.
DF2
No, you have
or
df2
DFA.
already. You have df2.
What,
You have df.
what about DFA?
Hmm?
DFA.
Okay, do
Can't we
that.
use alphabets?
Yes, do that. Do that. You can do that. dfa. Good.
Yeah, I've created it.
So
Is it dot?
yes, it's done. So you assign it now. Are you there? So can you see my screen? All right. So um, how do we go from here? So we have all the column put together in one data frame. So now the next is to find a way to reindex it together. So it should join them together. So let me call it, let me use a new variable, df. Let me say df Okay, let me call it df. Let me just start from 5. I know 5 doesn't exist. Df5. So let me just call it df5. So that will be assigned to what? Df difference dot what? Reindex. Reindex. Gosh. Reindex columns. What happens? Okay. So reindex columns. Um, and sorted by it should be df1 sorted by df. Yeah, df. Yeah. So we sort it by this. Okay. The same thing too. We do this for all. We should do this for all our variables. So this is your df2 and this is your df3. So we should reindex and sort it for all of them. So let's see this runs. Yeah, it's good, it runs. So the next thing now is to merge. So we can now merge. So we call it df. Let me just call it df10. So it's to what? It's to now merge now. pd dot what? Concatenate. So pd dot concatenate. Mm, concatenate. Oh, sorry. This is supposed to be df6 and this is supposed to be df7. Yeah. So let me run this again. Yeah. That's supposed to be df5, 6, and 7. So we can now concatenate the list of what? df1, df5, df. Any question? 6 and df7. Jennifer, are you there? Good.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, I'm there.
You are following. So can index this and ignore our index to be true. Yeah. So ignore our index to be true. Let's see the F3 if it gives us what we want. Good. You can see it gives us what we want. It has merged all the data together. So we have, for the first guys, we have names. All of them have names. So Ali, John, Sarah, the other guy, and the other guy says phones. Those are the names of the products. So they have salary. This guy doesn't have salary, so you should place them with NA. So you can see, so we've merged all of them together as a single table. Is that clear? So, but
Yes, sir.
yeah. So, but the next step now is to now clean your data. And now clean this. And anywhere you see NA, replace it by this, replace it by this, replace it by this. Okay? So because it's not proper to have something like this. So let's now clean this data. Okay, before we go into cleaning, so let's quickly save it in the um, okay. Let me just introduce you to cleaning data cleaning. Okay, so for this now, we can clean this data in three different ways using forward fill, backward fill, and any other method. You understand that? So let's do this. Uh, let's do this. So let's use the forward fill method. Okay, because if we do forward fill for these guys, uh, mm, if we do forward fill for this two will be okay. In fact, this one will be okay, but this one will not be okay. Mm, but let's see, let's just try. So df10 dot df10. Let's clean it using what? um, df10 dot dot fill na to fill na. I think there is a keyword called fill na. Yes, dot fill na. So we now ask him the method. So there's a method there. So we say f f what f fill f fill. So let's see what our df10 looks like. So when you do this, assign it also to df10. Df10. So assign. This is what we call you assign and reassign df10. Okay. So let's run it. Good. You can see this one was taken care of completely. This also was taken care of completely. This was also taken care of completely. So this was not taken care of properly. So penasing. So we'll now do backward fill for this guy. So we'll use the back to fill all of this. So good. So we'll copy this into a new cell and you do your B fill. Instead of saying F fill, you do your B fill. Good. Ha ha ha. Your data is clean. Can you see that? So this is just a crook way of filling your data, okay? Doesn't really represent uh, what data is saying, but for the sake of simplicity, just to introduce you on how to clean data. So this is just an introduction on data cleaning, okay? So let me say introduction. That introduction, introduction to data cleaning. All right. So are we still together? So we've introduced ourselves to data cleaning now. So we've cleaned this using two methods, using the forward fill method and the backward fill method. So we fill our data. So we cannot save our data in those methods the data is requiring us to do, right? Okay, so the method now asks us to save it. So you can just do the F10 dot what to CSV. So we name it as what? Let me use your word, order underscore CSV dot CSV. All right. So what do we do? We what do we do here? We we ignore index, set it to be what? False. In the same vein, so you can run that data is saved. So in the same vein, you can do order underscore exe then to what xlsx, yeah, and you do to what to exe. All right. So you can do that. You run it. So you paste it to what to JSON, then underscore JSON and dot what dot JSON. Then you instead of saying index, what you do here, you create orientation. So you create the orientation to be what? You set it as records and you create intents to indent it by two. Then if you run that, you have your data saved. So when you check your folder, your data are there. So these are the data. So the next step is to import your data. So you import your data. So how do you import your data? So you use, so you create a new data frame first. No, your pandas has been set, but if you've not set your pandas, so first you import your pandas. Import pandas as what? As PD. Then when you do that, you can now say, oh, let's say df11. I don't have data that is named df11. Read. Okay, pd dot what? Dot read. What do we want to read? Read CSV. Open your file. No, there is a CSV name order. You do the name is what? Order underscore what? Underscore CSV. So you read this and you print the F11. Voila. You have your data sets, right? You have your data set, which is a complete data set. So you can also read this in terms of what? Excel. So you also do PD import data, let's call it data frame 12. Import, instead of saying .csv, you say PD read what? Exe. Then you do underscore what? So the file name is exe. dot x what? X L S X. So you print data set 11 and 12. Voila. This is the exact format. Similarly, you can also read your JSON file in that same order. So you can call this one 13 and you print 13. So, and what do you read? Can you tell me?
So what did you say?
So how do we read this now from what you've seen so far? So how do we read this? So you do pd dot read what?
Is
JSON.
this for Jason?
Yes.
Jason, yes.
Do pd dot read JSON. Then this will be
Yes.
JSON.
Jason
So because
dot
the file
Jason.
name is underscore JSON, so this is dot JSON. All right. So
Yeah.
and you can print 13 and
Mm,
you
yep.
imported your JSON. So you can start playing with this now. You can say, oh, data frame dot head. What do you expect to see? You expect
In
to see
water.
when you do data frame dot maybe data frame 13 dot head, you will display the first 5 elements, right? So if you do data frame dot tail, what will you display? You display the last 5 elements. If you do data frame df13 dot info, it will give you information about the data that okay, the information is grade, scores, data department, name, and salary. So if you do data frame 13 dot what's it called? Shape, it will show you what data frame is there, that there are 5 columns, 9 rows and 5 columns in your data. If you do data frame dot size, df13 dot size, so say that there are 45 elements all there together. 9 times 5 is what? 45. So there are 45 elements all there, both the rows and column. And data frame 13 dot what? Dot what's it called? Dot unique. Okay. So it will show you the unique elements in that table. So there is no unique element there because it has what's it called? It has both numbers and string. So into unique. So data frame dot end unique. Yeah. Let's say this we go that way. Yeah. To show you the only the integers that are unique there. Okay. So end unique should be able to handle that. So and you can do data frame 13 dot what? Dot describe. 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 Good. So it's going to show you only the numeric values there. The mean, the standard deviation, minimum, maximum, the 50%, 25%, and maximum etc. So, and if you do describe dot um, include all, include all, it's going to show you everything in the table. So, both the numerical and the non-numerical and the categorical. So, this is some basic things about data. I hope this task is so clear to us. I hope the task is clear.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All
It
right. So
is.
you can use
Yeah.
this idea to complete your work. So I pray I have